Hey everyone! Welcome to the guide on how to answer calls on Android by simply lifting your phone. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Phone app, also called the Dialer app. This is the app you normally use to make or receive calls. Once inside the Phone app, look at the top right corner for a gear icon or three dots. This opens the settings. Tap on it to access more options. Now scroll down and look for something like Call Settings or Advanced Settings. Different Android brands may use slightly different names, but the option will be there. Look for a setting that says Answer calls using fingerprint, lift to answer, or something similar. Tap on it and you'll see a toggle switch. Turn it on to activate the feature. You can now test it by asking someone to call you. When the phone rings, just lift it towards your ear, and it should automatically answer the call without touching the screen. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.